Your time now 5:14. Now, having a balanced diet is part of a healthy lifestyle.
Most definitely. Our Natasha Trindade tells us why eating healthy is a change we should all make. Good morning, Natasha. Tell us all about it.
Good morning. That's correct. Eating a healthy, balanced diet is probably one of the best things that we can do to protect our health. In fact, up to 80% of premature heart disease and stroke can be prevented through your life choices and habits, such as eating a healthy diet and being physically active. Eating healthy is great for both children and adults. It helps kids get the nutrients they need to grow and develop, and it helps adults by maintaining a healthy lifestyle and reducing the risk of many diseases.
So, one of the benefits of having a healthy diet is it just improves your overall well-being. I mean, it leads to, better physical activity. It leads to better sleep. Leads to a better energy level. It leads to, better productivity, all sorts of improvement in your personal interactions.
Eating healthy may help you live longer, keep skin, teeth, and eyes healthy, supports muscle, boosts immunity, it strengthens bones, lowers the risk of heart disease, and supports healthy pregnancies and breastfeeding. Coming up in the next hour, we'll talk about how you can make those substitutions in your life. Reporting live from Harlingen, I'm Natasha Trindade.